Hello everyone, we are from Little Fly International School. Myself Anushka and this is my friend Arisha. We are going to present a project on CBSE Expo 2024 based on the theme Emerging Technologies along the theme Internet of Things on the topic Number Plate Recognition System. Now introducing the project. Number Plate Recognition System, also called as License Plate Recognition System, is a system that uses image processing methods to recognize vehicle number plates, and it is a potential research area in smart and metro cities, and also it is an Internet of Things. In this proposed program, we have proposed an efficient method for recognizing the Indian number plates, particularly as we are working on a small scale. And this program is made using Python programming language along with some Python libraries. Now, talking about the methodology of the program is divided into 4 phases. First, the pre-processing, in which our data, whatever we have stored, are processed, and by Sobolev detection, the number plates are detected in the second phase of detection by the camera or USB camera, whichever we are using. Third, by using OpenCV, we are going to extract the data, and by using PyTesseract, we are going to convert the text image of the data into text. And fourth phase or fourth stage of our program is recognition and searching from the database, in which the system which has converted the characters of the image will recognize it and try to match it with our database that is stored earlier.
So the requirements of this program are the database in which the number plates of Indian vehicles are stored. Then some of the Python libraries which we use are OpenCV, NumPy, Tkinter, PyTesseract, EasyOCR, Panda and Immultis.
Now talking about the need of making this program. As we are living in the 21st century with an increased population has led to the increase in number of vehicles and also the frauds related to vehicles. And this frauds and number of increase in vehicles have led to the necessity of using automated systems for storing information and purposes like security. Now talking about the limitations of this program, as in this program we have not used high machine learning. It is not able to work efficiently in the areas of smart cities and metro cities because there is high and fast traffic, and also there are speeding and like sports cars are there. So this system is not able to recognize the number plates at such high speeds, and here are the references that we have taken. Now we are going to show you how our project does work in the real time. Now we are going to show you how the project works. Here's the folder data model, in which we have stored a file named data.txt, in which there are some number plates data that is stored here. Here a file named data.csv is created, in which whenever the camera of a laptop scans the data of a number plate, it stores the data and matches it along with a timestamp. Here's our main program, and we are going to run it and show how it does work. Here our computer has scanned it, and now by pressing S we are gonna save this number plate. And now you all can see that our data has been converted from RGB to grayscale. Let's check the results. And now here are the results, as our data has been matched from this file. Here you can see that the data is stored. The data, as I showed you, that the data has matched, and a pop-up message has popped up that you are good to go. And now let's see what happens if the data is not stored in our database. See, the data here has been scanned and turned from RGB to grayscale. Let's check the results. Here it shows that the data is not matched, and a pop-up message is saying that data is not in database.
Now, as we have shown you the demo of our program, now it's time for the conclusion. So, the advancement in the machine learning and image processing will enhance the accuracy and versatility of NPR system. Integration with smart cities initiatives and Internet of Things will enhance the application, making it an essential tool for urban management and security purposes.
Thank you.